Today we're going to learn how to add text to video using DaVinci Resolve 21 free version. Left-click New Project, name your project, left-click Create. DaVinci always opens in the Cut page. You must go to the Media page. Left-click, go up to Media Storage, find your video. Left-click your video. You notice a red border appears. Right-click, select Add into Media Pool. Go down to the Edit. Left-click the Edit page. Go up to your video. Left-click, right-click, left-click, Create New Timeline. Press Create. Your video now appears on the timeline. Go up to Inspector, left-click, go to Effects, left-click, go down to Titles, left-click Titles, and go to Text, left-click, hold down and drag a text box and place it on top of your video in your timeline. You notice that whatever appears in this text box here appears on your video. I'm going to change that. Go down to size, increase the size, or type a size in there. Type in 200, enter. Font face, extra bold. Color, left-click color, left-click the color of your choice. OK. You see the color change there. Go down to stroke. It's usually a good idea to put a border or outline around each letter. Click outside only. Color black. I'll keep it at black and increase the size, and you'll notice a black outline appear around each letter. Keep the playhead in the region that we're editing, and it appears on the preview screen. Scroll down to drop shadow. In X offset or horizontal offset, double click inside that box. Backspace, type in a positive number like 50, enter. Y offset, negative 50, that's the vertical. Enter. And you notice that drop shadow appear. Now, where the text box ends, when the playhead goes past the text box, the text will disappear from your video. You can extend the time during which the text remains by grabbing and stretching the text box out, and the text appears on your video for a longer time. Now move the playhead back into the editing area. Scroll down to background. Height. Hold down the slider and move. You notice a black rectangle appear behind your text. Go to corner radius. If you slide that, the rectangle becomes elliptical. You can change the colour of your rectangle. OK. Reduce the width. Outline colour. White. OK. Increase the outline width. You see the outline to the background there. I will decrease it. And that's what it looks like so far. Now you can relocate your text by grabbing it. You just hold down the left key of your mouse, drag it to another position, click outside, and there it is there, repositioned. Go to rotation. We can rotate the text. I'll just reposition it closer to the center. There's rotation. Now let's create an effect which changes over time. So move the playhead to the beginning of the text box. Move the rotation angle to one extreme, the left-hand side. Click the white diamond red. I'll just shrink the text box so it doesn't take too long. Press play and wait until the point that you wish the rotation to end. I'm going to wait to the end of the text box. With the arrows, the left-hand arrow on my keyboard, I can do fine control and move backwards and forwards using the right and left arrows. So I'll leave it there. Where's rotation? There it is. Move the rotation to the other extreme. Move the slider. The white diamond turns red. So the change has been registered. Now let's see what happens here. We'll press play. And you notice the text rotating. Now we can add other effects. Go to Settings, left-click Settings, Composite. Okay, looking at opacity, it's at 100%. Left-click the white diamond red. Play your video to the end of the text box. Fine control with the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard. There's the end of it. Okay. Slide the opacity slider to the other extreme. White diamond clicks red automatically. Now, let's just rewind the video and see what that looks like. We notice the text fading away as the opacity becomes 0. Now let's demonstrate another effect. Zoom. By the way, we are in settings. We are in the settings panel of Inspector. Zoom. Okay, playheads at the beginning of the text box. Left click the white diamond. It turns red. Okay, the zoom is at 1, which means original size. Play your video to the end of the text box. stop, find control with the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard. Oh, that looks about the end of it. Yep, that's about right. Okay, go back to zoom, double click inside the box, backspace, I'll type in 0, enter. It's recorded 0.01 because that's the minimum value it takes at the moment. That's good enough. Rewind your video. Let's see what that does. And we see the text zooming away, as well as rotating and the other changes we made. Okay, now we can reposition the text, not just by moving it manually, but by going into transform in settings. Look at position. X is horizontal position. Double click inside there. Backspace. I'm going to type in 200 and then I'm going to press enter. And you notice that the text moves. Okay, I've moved it back. And the same with the vertical or the Y position. Let's just type in -200. Enter, the text jumps down. Okay, this resets it, this circular arrow thing. Just click on that, goes back to the original value. Now there's also flip. Okay, that's left and right flip. This is vertical flip. Okay, now at this point I'm going to drag a second text box onto the timeline. Oops, there we go. Just shift that a bit. I'm going to compress the video a bit by shifting this slider here, and that makes it all shorter. Probably a bit, oh, I've compressed it too much. Oh, that's good enough. Okay. Now, just go there. Go back to title. Left click title. Scroll back up. Make sure the playhead is in this region by clicking above the text box on the ruler. I'm going to change this. Okay. Go down to tracking. Now tracking controls how close the letters are to each other. So you can change tracking. I'll reset it. Line spacing, that one's obvious. There you see line spacing increases and decreases the space between lines. Reset. Got effects like blur, which blurs the shadow. Opacity, which makes the shadow translucent. Reset. Okay. Now let's go to settings. Left click settings. Go down to pitch and yaw. Now let's just move the pitch to the extreme left. Move the playhead, the beginning of the text box. Left click the diamond next to pitch red. Play the video until the playhead reaches the end of the text box. You can find control with left and right arrow keys on your computer. Now move the pitch slider to the other extreme. Diamond goes red automatically. Now let's see what pitch looks like. Okay, so that's pitch. And move the playhead back into the text box. I'm going to press the reset button on pitch and that resets it. So now there's no pitch when we move the playhead. Go to yaw, change it, move the yaw slider to the extreme left, click the white diamond red, play the video or move the playhead to the other extreme of your text box. I'll just backspace a couple times. Yep. Left arrow on the keyboard just to get the last frame. There we go. Move the yaw slider to the other extreme. White diamond turns red. Everything's looking good. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Okay, so that's yaw. I've reset the yaw by pressing that circular arrow while the playhead was inside the text box, so the yaw's gone. Now scroll down to cropping, crop left, crop right. You see it's cropping means blocking and revealing. Crop top. Now I'm just going to set the crop top to that level and just reveal crop bottom. Just reveal the word systems. Increase the softness a bit. Crop right. That goes that way. Now let's crop right. We'll just set that to that level there. I'll just move the playhead to the beginning of the text box. Crop right is at one extreme. Left click the white diamond red. Play the video until the playhead reaches the other end of the text box. Just make sure that it's inside the text box. Move the slider for crop right to the other extreme. The white diamond automatically turns red. The change has been recorded. Now let's see what that looks like. Okay. Now, don't forget to render your video. You have to render it. Go to the rocket symbol down there. Left click the deliver page. Now, as a beginner, I'd probably recommend just choose a YouTube preset, say 1440 or 1180. Okay, file name, name your file, go to location, save, scroll down to add to render queue, left click, this box appears up here, move your mouse down to render all, left click, and wait for this green progress bar to complete. And that's it. Your video is saved on your computer